Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your battery healthy maximum capacity on an iPhone. So basically, to do that, you need to tap and open your settings. So once you open your settings, you want to scroll up a little bit, then down right here, you want to tap on battery. So when you come right here, you want to go ahead and tap on battery, healthy and charging. So the moment you tap right here, it is going to bring you right here. So basically, here, this is where you can actually check your battery health maximum capacity. As you can see right here, this number here, this percentage, this will be your battery maximum capacity. So it just depends on how new is your phone. So basically, when you buy your phone, when it is new, most of the time is going to have 100% battery capacity, maximum capacity. So basically, the higher it is, it means that's going to be more hours that you can actually use your iPhone before you recharge it again. So basically, when it becomes low and low, your iPhone is going to spend less hours than you used to when it was 100% or when it was higher. So basically, guys, this is how you can actually check your battery healthy maximum capacity on your iPhone.